We have all been there, sitting with a mountain of raw, messy footage on our phones that we desperately need to turn into something actually watchable. I recently filmed a long 10-minute sit-down video on my phone, and it was a total disaster of audio quality. I had a window air conditioner humming 2 feet from my head, and an annoying electrical buzz in the background, creating the perfect storm of bad production. Today I am going to walk you through how I tried to salvage that footage using 3 popular industry tools, and then show you how Vizard actually handled the job. Spoiler alert, they all handle audio cleanup differently, but one of them was the clear winner for saving me significant time. First up, let us talk about Adobe, specifically their Adobe Podcast Enhance tool, which is a very popular choice for quick audio fixes. The browser-based interface is incredibly simple, allowing you to drag and drop your audio files for a quick, automated cleanup. The charm here is the simplicity, but the limitation is that it focuses purely on audio. You cannot edit the video itself without jumping through extra hoops. After processing, my background hum vanished, though my voice sounded slightly thinned out and almost a bit unnatural. Adobe is definitely a solid, predictable choice if you just need a fast, browser-based audio patch without learning a complex new app. Next on my list was Descript, a powerful tool I often use when I need deep, transcript-based control over my editing. Descript automatically transcribes your video, which is a massive time saver for anyone who prefers to edit by reading a script rather than scrubbing through a timeline. I turned on their Studio Sound feature, which is essentially a one-click audio cleanup solution that works like magic. While it completely obliterated the background hum, it did make my voice sound a bit squashed, so I had to dial back the intensity slider to get a natural feel. The major takeaway with Descript is that while it is genius for transcript editing, it is not an automated viral clip generator, meaning you still have to do the manual heavy lifting. Third, I tested CapCut, which I used on the desktop version because it offers much more robust features than the mobile app. I dropped in the video, navigated to the audio settings, and used their Enhance voice feature alongside the noise reduction tool. CapCut was genuinely impressive, as it managed to isolate my voice while making the background noise disappear almost entirely. It does tend to sharpen the sibilance in your voice, making those S sounds a bit piercing, but it remains a great all-in-one editor for those who like a visual timeline. The catch with CapCut is that it still requires manual labor. You have to find your own viral moments, and it does not offer automated posting solutions. So, my honest assessment is that Adobe is best for quick audio, Descript shines for transcript editing, and CapCut is perfect for visual, timeline-based creativity. However, none of those tools actually solve the biggest creator bottleneck, turning one long video into a steady stream of shorts across every platform. That is exactly where Vizard came in and completely changed my workflow for the better. Instead of fiddling with audio files or hunting for clips, I uploaded my raw 10-minute video directly into Vizard. The software instantly started finding the high engagement moments, the gestures, the punchlines, and the pauses, and created ready-to-post clips automatically. It does not replace creativity, but it is shocking at understanding what actually keeps people watching on social media. What really stood out to me was how Vizard's auto-editing viral clips picked multiple short clips from that single session, all perfectly optimized for different platforms. Compared to manually scrubbing through a timeline in Descript or CapCut, Vizard saved me hours of tedious work. Then there is the Auto Schedule feature, which allows you to set your posting frequency so the clips publish across your social media channels automatically. That one feature took a multi-step, chaotic workflow and turned it into a seamless, one-click operation. The content calendar is equally useful because it lets you see everything in one place: your scheduled posts, your drafts, and your live content. For anyone trying to remain consistent without the budget for a dedicated editor, this kind of centralized control is an absolute lifesaver. Now, to be completely fair, Vizard is not perfect. You will occasionally want to manually tweak a frame or adjust a caption to get that perfect polish. But when you compare it to the alternatives, it bridges the gaps where other tools fall short by handling the editing, the formatting, and the scheduling all at once. If you are only doing an occasional edit, definitely start with the free options like Adobe or CapCut to see how they handle your specific audio problems. However, if your goal is scaling up your content and pumping out daily clips without the endless grind, Vizard is the tool that really changes the game. Always remember that audio issues are tricky, so test your specific files in these tools first before committing to one workflow. But if you are ready to take a long-form video and turn it into a consistent daily stream of shorts without losing your mind, Vizard is the one I recommend. It stops you from fighting with file formats and lets you focus on actually creating content. I hope this breakdown helps you figure out which tool fits your needs. And let me know if you want to see exactly how I set up my Vizard calendar. See you in the next one.